Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and this is just a quickie. This is following on from our using texture paste with glitter. Now in yesterday's episode when I did the 3 colours with the texture paste, I did a quickie afterwards to show you how to get the extra texture paste from your stencil, and I was just starting to clean up and I thought, you know what, let's do it again. Let's do the same thing again. So I've still got protected paper on my mat. I've still got my stencil in my baby wipes. So I've got a piece of card that I'm going to put on top of the kitchen towel that we've just put down. And I'm going to peel away the top baby wipe. Now this is black texture paste, and I've got to say this is probably going to get messy, this one. So me dispelling any rumours that it's messy are out the window with this. So I'm going to turn it over and pop it onto the card. Now don't forget there's glitter on here as well, so it's going to sound a bit crusty, and as I say, we're going to get messy with this one. So for any of you that don't want to get messy, you know, just go on to tomorrow's video. Anyway, so, well, you can't go on yet because I haven't done it. But anyway, so I'm going to take my wet wipe and I'm just going to rub as if I'm inking. It's putting the pattern of the texture paste, it's using it like an ink, just in the sections of the stencil that are cut. I'm going to do that all over, and it's kind of like just pressing it on. There we go. I'm not going to do it too much because obviously I don't want the paper to be destroyed with the damp baby wipe. So you could spritz it with water and then that would make it, you know, a little bit damp and easy to do this with. So, and don't forget, this is just an off the cuff thing, this, because I was planning on going to wash this. I never thought about doing this again. So now I'm going to peel it off, and hopefully, in fact, I'm going to peel it this way. So now I don't know what this is going to look like. I don't know whether it's going to work or not. So if you want to turn off now, do so. So I'm going to peel off my stencil. Da 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 da. Whoa! Look at that. That's not bad, is it? That would look great with monotone projects. Really nice. Got a bit of glitter in there. See if I can. And where the glitter is and the texture paste has left like little dots. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah. And now I really do have to wash my stencil. So please, if you've got anything to say, any comments, please feel free on Facebook or my blog. Can't reply to you on YouTube, but I do read them all. I hope you're enjoying our mini-series. It's turning out to be, you know, quite a few little videos for you. So I hope you're enjoying them. And just remains for me to say thank you so much for watching. And I shall see you next time.